Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sandeep Jain, a WordPress developer with 11-year experience helping clients build secure, scalable and successful website. Let me ask you this. You have built a great WordPress website, but it truly secure? Is it truly secure or not? Every single day, over 90,000 websites get hacked. Most of them are WordPress site. It's not because WordPress is weak. It's because people launch without security. The basic and hackers know it. In this video, I will share 5 critical WordPress security practices I use for every client in 2025. Whatever you are managing a blog, an e-commerce site on an agency project, these steps will help you lock it down. Stick with me till the end because final step is final step the one that save your entire site what disaster strike. Let's get started. So first thing is first install security plugin. I recommend WordPress, iTheme and or Solid Security. You can choose one of one plugin like WordPress. It provides lots of feature available, firewall etc, scanner etc, login security etc, so you can use this plugin. You must use one of these plugin, and it also block malware, login attack and suspicious IP, get email alert for security issue. And second step is change default login URL because WP admin and WP login.php are too predictable. Everyone know about it. So use WPS hide login to change the login URL. It is WPS hide login. So it provides lots of feature with it, and it will change your login URL and it will ask what you want, so you can change according to your requirement. And it confuse both trying brute force attack. Limit login attempts. So protect your login page with limited attempts, like anyone is know your login URL etc, and then he's trying to login again and again. So at that time it will help. So it stop brute force password guessing, and simple, powerful and highly effective. And I recommend WPS limit login. It is awesome add-on, and it use basic use for login attempt save. Keep everything updated. Always update WordPress core plugin and theme. And also one more point, if you go at here, then go to tools, inside tool go to site health, and go at here site status, and at here you must fix these error, recommended improvement. You must work on that. I also make many videos on it, like you should use persistent object cache and other things. So every step will be fixed, means everything will be fixed at here, so that it will be your website will be rocking and not give any issue. And backup regularly, it is final step. And for it I recommend Updot Plus. There is lots of option also here. Jet backup, or Block Bolt, but I recommend Updraft Plus. So like at here go to Updraft Plus, and you can take backup easily, and you can also schedule backup etc. at here, like want to use like daily or 1 to 2 days. After then you can use that thing also at here. uh, Look, client do not just need a website that work, they need one that is safe, secure and dependable. If even one of these tips help you, smash that like button. And if you want more WordPress tip from someone who has been in the WordPress for 11 years, hit subscribe and turn on bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.